Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Discord in 2025. So if you have never used Discord before, don't worry, I will show you exactly how you can get started with it, how you can join the servers or create your own server, and I will also show you how you can connect with others on call chat. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Discord. The icon of the Discord application looks something like this. So make sure that you install the right application of Discord. Now once the installation is completed successfully, you just have to tap on the open button in order to open your Discord application. After that, you will have to simply create your account here with the help of your email address. Now, once you have done that, your dashboard is going to be looking something like this. Now, as you can see in my Discord account, I have already joined some of the servers. But if you are an absolute beginner who just created your account, instead of all of these in the left hand side, you will see this plus icon. So when you click on this plus icon, simply click on the option of join a server. Now here you can provide the link of that particular server in which you want to basically get into. You can find these servers on the social media platforms or any of the communities like on Instagram or any other platforms. There you will find the links. Now whenever you join a server, for example, let's say you have joined this particular server, so inside the server you are going to see bunch of different hashtags. So these are the hashtags which you can basically use in order to get to know more about the community. For example, when you tap on the option of the welcome hashtag of the server that you have joined, you are going to see all of the people who have basically joined the server. Then in every server there is a hashtag for the chat. So when you tap on the option of chat, you will see all of the people that are basically chatting with each other here. So you can use this message icon here in the bottom, and then you can just simply start chatting with them. You can send them the gifs. You can basically be a part of this community. So this way you can start using Discord application in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.